Hi, my name is Ivette Castro. I am one of the interior designers here at Marrokal. You are watching Ask Marrokal, and this is where we answer all of your remodeling questions. Have you ever wondered about tile that looks like wood? This plank is actually a great option for those who want the look of a wood floor. It is great for people with kids and pets because of its durability. It requires less maintenance and it is made out of porcelain or ceramic tile. The look and style can vary from rustic to traditional, with many options in between. What makes this product great is that it can be used anywhere, such as bathrooms, kitchens, living spaces, or even outside patios. These tiles can be used in areas with water present without having to worry about the risk of damage. The use of wood look tile planks can also be used for both walls and flooring, which gives a space a more dramatic look, or a bold statement if the client desires. Working with these tiles gives you the flexibility to mix and match different sizes and patterns in order to create more visual interest in a space. For example, in this bathroom, we chose to use the wood look tile planks for the shower walls. They work beautifully alongside the pebble mosaic shower pan. It gives it a touch of a chic bathroom, but with a modern touch. Be sure to visit our website, marrokal.com, and don't forget to like us on Facebook. See you next time on Ask Marrokal.